Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan sila sa ng Renzo Tara Channel. May kami shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ng pagsasamahan ay reading po para sa buwan ng May para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aquarius. Pasensya na po ako medyo na late, but still May 4 medyo kaya pa naman po. Pasok po naman po medyo maaga pa ha. Pasensya na po sa delay and wala po tayong uploads for the past days. Medyo na busy po yung lingkod, but rest assured, I'm still here. Papatuloy po para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading. Alright? This is for you, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at gusto niyo po subscribe na rin po, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account at di po kayo naka-follow, paki-follow na rin po Renzo Tara 444. And if you want to avail of private reading, message na lang po ako ha. Hindi po ako mag-message po sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Mga scammer po yan. So, doble ingat po kayo. May mga nanggagaya po ng ating account. So, kayo po ang unang mag-message po sa akin. At pag-usapan po natin kung magkano and how are you going to avail a slot para sa ating private reading. Alright? Huwag na natin patagalin pa, kunin na natin Aquarius ang iyong 10 baraha para sa iyong May 2026. Pasensya na po kung medyo may konting ingay po sa background. I'm really sorry po ha. So that's force of nature. Hindi po natin ma-control yan. But just focus na lang po sa ating reading. Right? So, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Kamusta po kayo lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Yan lang po yung laging hiling ko po sa inyo na sana'y lagi po kayong masaya, lagi po kayong healthy at ligtas araw-araw. Right? So, let's begin, Aquarius. First card mo para sa May 2026, Seven of Swords. I can see here, Aquarius, this month of May, you will be deciding, magde-decide ka na talaga to move on. This is not a totally na parang mag-move on ka, but at least you're going to make a way, kikilos ka, gagawa ka ng action para totally na makapag-heal ka sa isang sitwasyon na talagang for a long time ay hindi mo ba bitaw-bitawan or nakadwell ka. Painful experiences, past trauma, kung ano man to, mga failure or painful experiences na talagang nagpahirap sa iyo, mga sakit sa damdamin, mga betrayals, kung ano man to. But this May 2026, nakikita ko na parang iiwan mo na siya unti-unti by doing your best na you will be realizing na hindi mo naman kontrolado mga bagay na nangyari. And that's how the universe, kumbaga that's the process of the universe na talagang may mga bagay na nangyari, it's because for a reason. At kailangan mo lang bitbitin dito yung lesson na natutunan mo and slowly you're going to move on because for a long time, na-compromise yung happiness mo dito. So, walang ibang makakatulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo. And this May 2026, Aquarius, I can see you na talagang kikilos ka na para mag-move on. Alright? So, from a certain situation na hindi na talaga naging healthy para sa'yo, you know? And speaking of moving on, movement, Chariot card is here. I can see here may mga Aquarius na magta-travel this May, may mangingibang bansa, uuwi ng Pilipinas, ano ba to? So something about elevation also, position, promotion din ito, or maaaring may makilala ka yung partner from other country, a fam, foreign people, or maybe it's like, certain person na medyo malayo sa inyong lugar. But the Chariot card here is more on travel and also if you're waiting for something na talagang kasi feeling mo na stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon for a long time na walang growth and progress na nangyari sa buhay mo, expect a growth here, Aquarius. So this is a very beautiful card for you. So for a long time na parang medyo naguluhan ka sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, nalilito ka sa mga nararamdaman mo, but here with the Chariot card here, so tuloy-tuloy na ito. Claim mo na ito. Okay, yeah. Sabi ko nga, the hangman, for a long time nakatenga ang buhay mo. For a long time, feeling mo ay talagang hindi mo maintindihan kung saan ka talaga papunta. Ano ba talagang decision na gagawin ko? Sino bang lalapitan ko? When and where are going to start? So, Aquarius with the hangman. So, this will be over. Tapos na ito. So, tuloy-tuloy na nga pag-arangkada ng buhay mo. With the Chariot card here. So, tuloy-tuloy na. You are on the right track. You're on the right path. So, with the hangman, this is just a flashback na sabi ko parang lately, past 6 months ago and a year, you don't know where you belong. You don't know where to go na parang wala. Although may nangyari, but feeling mo hindi ito yung gusto mong tinatahak. Like the progress is very slow, the growth is like stagnant with the hangman card here. But sabi ka with the Chariot card, it will be replaced, mapapalitan siya ng pag-arangkada or pagtuloy-tuloy na pag-move forward ng buhay mo. Right? So, ang ganda nito, Aquarius, para sa'yo, ha? Pang-apat is the Queen of Pentacles. So this is stability, money-wise. Kung you've been worrying, Aquarius for a long time. I know, but kahit ganong galing nyo sa paghawak ng pera for lately, parang medyo kinakapos pa rin. But this May with the Queen of Pentacles, everything will make sense in terms of finances for you. Magaling mong hahawakan, makakagawa ka ng paraan dito sa mga perang kinakailangan mo for a certain situation or thing na kinakailangan ng malaking pera. So, hindi question dito. Wala akong question dito para sa Aquarius because napakagaling mo sa paggawa ng paraan. Kapag pera ang pinag-uusapan dito with the Queen of Pentacles, you don't need to worry. This is stability. There's a lot of opportunities na parating sa'yo na talagang susunggapan mo or tatanggapin mo. Just makadagdag lang dito sa mga iniipon mo or maybe dito sa mga ini-investan mo kung ano man. So, Queen of Pentacles, this is about stability in terms of money for you, Aquarius. Wow, ito nga. Ace of Pentacles, if you're waiting, actually this is abundance. This May 2026, may naantay ba kayong malaking pera? This May 2026, Aquarius, ma-receive mo na ito. And also, I can see here na makakapag-save ka, makaka-invest ka, makakabili ka ng bagong property, any kind of thing. This is a big amount of money, ha? So, Aquarius, ang galing-galing mo. You've been working so hard for this thing. And this May 2026, believe me, makukuha mo na ito. You will be claiming this, you will be getting this as a reward for your hard work. Bilang kabayaran sa pagsisipag at kumbaga sa kalinisan ng puso mo, and you truly deserve this. Wow, congratulations in advance, Aquarius. I'm so happy for you. I-claim mo na ito, okay? So, abundance in terms of money. So, tuloy-tuloy na prosperity. Wow. Sige, pang-anim. Para sa May 2026 reading. Wow! Two of Cups. I can feel her May 2026. If you're single, parang you will be opening your heart again. May mga taong sa paligid ay siguro nahihiyang mag-open sa'yo for the past months ng kanilang feeling. Expect na mayroong mga taong mag-express ng feeling nila sa inyo to offer their love or to offer their intention for you. So, nangangamoy love life ito, Aquarius, sa mga married dyan or may partner na. So, expect a very smooth, okay, partnership or relationship here. But with the Two of Cups here, this also signifies partnership, maybe collaboration, network sa ibang tao na kasing may, kumbaga, inline din sa skills mo, sa galing mo. Maybe mag-uusap kayo, may makakaroon ng collaboration for a certain project, for a certain milestone na talagang malaki itutulong nito in the future. Both sides of you will be gaining knowledge or benefiting from it. So, tuloy mo na to. Okay, if there's an offer for you for network or collaboration, Aquarius, push for it. Okay? So, hindi masamang mag-take ng risk. Okay, Knight of Wands. So, this is about talaga movement. So, although sabi ko with the Chariot card here, there will be a kumbaga, movement or pag-arangkada ng sitwasyon mo. With the Knight of Wands here, it's also a reminder for you, ayan, nasa tamang path ka. Tama yung path na tinatahak mo with the Three of Pyramids here in the background. Yan yung goals and aspirations in life mo. But you need to take it easy. Dahan-dahan, don't pressure, don't rush anything. Baka mamaya matisod ka, baka mamaya madapa ka. Mahirap na. Okay, ma-disappoint ka. Everything should be done in a very, kumbaga, thorough way. Alam, pag-aralan mabuti ang lahat, kailangan hindi mamadaliin. Baka mamaya, sabi ko nga, madapa ka. But I know that you're on the right track. Tama yung landas na. Baka mamaya kinukumpara mo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. Nakikita mo yung progress ng ibang tao, tapos ikaw feeling mo wala. So, tama. You're on the right track, sinasabi ko. But still, you don't need to compare yourself to other. Bawat isa sa atin may sariling timeline. So, hindi mo pwede kasi yung timeline mo hindi pa dumarating. But, nasa tamang path ka na tinatahak. You just need to wait for it. Because kapag binigay naman to sa universe talaga, wala ka nang hahanapin pa, Aquarius. Okay? With the Knight of Wands here, ulitin ko, you're on the right track. You're tama yung path na tinatahak mo, but you need to take it easy. No pressure, don't rush anything kasi mahirap na kapag mag-failed and you need to go to start all over again. Alright? So, ito. Six of Wands is here. This is victory. Galing kayo sa laban, pauwi na kayo ang nanalo, kayo ang nagtagumpay, Aquarius, believe me. Sabi ko, you don't need to rush anything. Kasi may tagumpay at the end may success, may prosperity. So with the Six of Wands here, you are bound for success. Talagang nasa tamang landas ka. Okay, just take it easy. Paghirapan ito, huwag itong malalain, talagang pag-aralan ang lahat ng bagay. So, everything should be considered na talagang hindi to basta-bastang laban. But believe me, after all, kapag napanalunan niyo to, talagang sasabi mo, worth it ang lahat dito, Aquarius. Ang katapat niya, Hangman, after all the stagnancy, after all the situation na feeling mo ay walang growth at progress na nangyayari sa buhay mo, mapapalitan ito ng kasiyahan, mapapalitan ito ng success and victory here. Okay, six of wands, you are bound for success. You are bound for good news and blessings, Aquarius. It's just a matter of hard work and patience for you. Alright? So, pang siyam, tingnan mo. Queen, ang katapat niya, Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Anong sabihin nito? This really signifies, Aquarius, that talagang there will be a massive, there will be a windfall for you in terms of money. Sabi ko talagang kung perang pag-usapan, walang question dito sa'yo. So there will be a lot of opportunities na may kinalaman sa pera na it will be knocking on your doors. Like, and it will be an additional means of income, business, side hustle, kung ano man to business opportunities na makakadagdag sa gusto mong target na amount of money or anything. So this is abundance. This is prosperity. So ayun no, magkatapat sila talaga. The cards are very clear here. Connected talaga. Queen and a knight. So it means talagang it's like a perfect match. In terms of money, we don't have a question here. Hindi ka pwedeng questioning talagang May 2026 will be very good month for you in terms of finances, Aquarius. So, cheer on. You don't need to worry. Relax lang, right? So, tapusin natin itong May 2026 reading mo, Aquarius, with your 10th and last card. King of Wands. So this is a maturity, growth, Aquarius. May mga Aquarius pa dyan na parang sa mga desisyon na ginagawa ay pabara-bara. Parang hindi pa totally nag-grown up, nag-mature. Please, lumabas na kayo sa inyong comfort zone. Tama na yung parang pag-iisip bata. Tama na yung parang childish attitude. Okay? Sa panahon ngayon, nasa mundo na tayo ngayon na puro kompetensya. Hindi na ito kailangan na parang papetex-petex tayo. So with the King of Wands, your advice, Aquarius, to grow now. Okay? At hindi basta-basta gumawa ng mga desisyon na hindi pinag-iisipan or pinag-aaralan. Everything should be considered thoroughly. Everything should be, kumbaga, carefully planned. Everything should be considered, kumbaga, kailangan mabuti talaga. Kailangan pag-asipan na mabuti. Kasi mahirap na. Kung babalik na naman kayo sa start because of the failures na maaaring mangyari kung pabara-bara kayo sa mga decision nyo. Aquarius with the King of Wands here. Again, please grow up. Tama na yung immaturity. Tama na. Lumabas kayo dyan. You make your own decision. Okay? Talagang kung kaya nyo gumawa ng desisyon na hindi na kinakailangan ng tulong ng ibang tao or advice ng ibang tao, at least you try, you know that you have the skills, matalino naman kayo, you have the everything para mapagtagumpay ng lahat. So, do it on your own para at least matuto kayo. And with the King of Wands here, so after that, there will be a massive transformation for you na wow, sasabihin mo, kinaya ko naman pala, kaya ko naman pala na mag-isa lang, so why don't, bakit ngayon ko lang ginawa ito? Alright, so the message is very clear, Aquarius, ha? So I'm so happy. I'm wishing you all the best. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sa'yo na Aquarius sa mga kapatid to ngayon. Thank you so much, mga Aquarius, kung sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat. Nasa mga kayo naroon ang mga ginagawa nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.